Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to price my car for sale on dubizzle. The first thing we need to do is market research. So we need to come to either dubizzle or other similar websites and platforms. You go check the prices of similar cars. So here under searching in, I'll click on motors and then I'll type in the brand of our car. Let's do Honda and then let's do a CRV. So you can see 55 ads under motors. So we'll click on this. This one includes all the used cars and rental cars as well. And then what we need to do is just look at the different cars that they have available. Check out the model years. So as you can see, let's say we wanted to sell a 2014. We need to look at what kind of price the 2014 models are selling for. So if you look at this one, these are the ones available and these come in different ranges. They have the EX range, they have the sport range. So you need to keep that in mind as well. And depending on the range, the price will be higher. And of course, the mileage is very important. So car's age, mileage, these are factors that affect the price. So you need to look at the overall condition. So as you can see, this one is a 2014. It has a bit higher of a mileage than this other one, and it is priced accordingly. And this one is also 2014. Mileage is much lower, but it is priced higher as it is lower mileage. And this one, as you can see, is a GCC. If you don't know what that means, that is basically a specification for the Gulf countries, and these cars that fit this specification are basically designed and manufactured for these harsh conditions in these Gulf countries. So these are the listings. You need to go ahead and include the added features or recent upgrades you've done. Maybe you've added GPS, you've added new tires. Go ahead and mention those things. If you have original paint, that's better. So if you have a fully loaded car, make sure you mention that in your listing. That really helps. For example, as you can see, full option and first owner, that also help. And you need to also consider the demand, how popular your car model is in your area. Now Honda is a reliable brand, it's a known brand. The CRV models are reasonably popular. Everything will be priced accordingly. And then you need to choose a realistic price. Let's say our car was 2014 as well, but the kilometers were more than 200,000. I would price it at around 30,000 dirhams to make it move faster. Don't want to price yourself out of the market. The better the price is, the easier it will be for you to sell, the faster as well. But that is how to price my car for sale on dubizzle.